What's up, homeboy? It's just me, a real cool dude. Or should I say, a real cold dude. Today on a special edition of Food Reviews, we're going to be reviewing the raddest thing you could put into your picnic basket. Coleslaw! And that's no jive. Coleslaw is cabbage with mayonnaise. Let's be honest, guys. You could put me in mayonnaise and I'd taste pretty good. But I'm not cabbage. Coleslaw kind of looks like some grass got cut up and put into some milk. Grass milk. Now that's something only a cow could love. I'm slobbering over this slaw. Let's take a bizite. It's tasting time. Oh. The taste is cool and refreshing, like the other side of the pillow. It has a little bit of a citrus flavor to it, like your mandarin orange slices came to a party they weren't invited to. You know what this could use? Cucumber. I'm serious, guys. How much better would coleslaw be with cucumber in it? It's outrageous. There are some silvered carrots in here, which is nice. They're not as nice as golden carrots, am I right? Sorry guys, this getup has me feeling silly. It's pretty clear this is one straight up legit side dish. No picnic would be considered dope as smoke without a big old tub of coleslaw in it. That's right, I'm calling it coleslaw from now on. I don't care who tells me to stop. Thanks for watching this special 4th of July edition of Food Reviews. Don't forget to leave a comment, unless you're just too cold for school.
International Megadigital.